Title: The King of the Jungle in Danger. Plot overview. Deep in the heart of the vibrant jungle, Leo the lion, the beloved king of the jungle, rules with kindness and wisdom. However, strange things begin happening in the jungle. Trees lose their leaves, rivers dry up, and an eerie darkness starts spreading across the land. The animals grow restless, and Leo realizes that a long-forgotten threat has returned. The Shadow Panther, a mysterious creature with the power to drain the jungle of its life and light. With his kingdom in danger, Leo must team up with a group of adventurous kids, Zara and Tommy, and his closest animal friends, Bongo the monkey, Ellie the elephant, and Sly the snake. Together, they embark on a daring quest to stop the Shadow Panther, uncovering ancient secrets, solving puzzles, and learning valuable lessons about courage, teamwork, and kindness along the way. The first signs of trouble. It's a typical sunny day in the jungle when Leo first senses something is wrong. He notices that the leaves on the trees are starting to turn brown and fall, despite it being the middle of the rainy season. As Leo strolls through his kingdom, he overhears frightened whispers among the animals. Soon, strange noises begin to fill the air, distant growls, the rustling of leaves, and the eerie silence of once chatty birds. The usually joyful jungle animals start hiding in fear. Leo decides it's time to call a meeting with the animals and figure out what is happening. The Jungle Council. Leo summons all the animals to gather at the great tree, where important decisions are made. From the towering elephants to the tiny beetles, all the creatures of the jungle come together. Bongo the monkey swings in with excitement, while Ellie the elephant plods in slowly, her trunk curls thoughtfully. Sly the snake slithers silently into the shadows. Leo addresses the crowd. Animals of the jungle, our home is in danger. Something dark is spreading, and I fear it may be a creature we have long forgotten, the Shadow Panther. A gasp ripples through the crowd. The journey begins. Leo, Zara, Tommy, and their animal friends set off on a quest to find the source of the shadow and stop the panther before it's too late. Along the way, they pass through familiar parts of the jungle that now seem strange and eerie. Plants that once bloomed brightly now droop, and streams that once flowed are bone dry. As they journey deeper into the jungle, the group encounters puzzles and challenges set by the Shadow Panther to test their bravery and cleverness. From navigating through a maze of thorny vines to crossing a fast-moving river on floating logs, each challenge pushes them to work as a team. The Ancient Cave of Shadows. Following clues. The group finally arrives at the Ancient Cave of Shadows, the rumored lair of the Shadow Panther. The cave is surrounded by glowing blue plants and eerie mist. And every step they take inside feels heavy. The walls are covered in ancient markings that tell the story of the panther's first rise to power and his eventual defeat by a courageous lion from long ago. Inside the cave, the group is met with shadowy illusions, phantom creatures that try to scare them and make them turn back. But with their courage and Leo's leadership, they press on. The confrontation with the Shadow Panther. In the deepest part of the cave, they find the Shadow Panther. His fur is black as night, and his eyes glow with a menacing light. He uses his power to create a storm of shadows, but Leo stands tall, refusing to be intimidated. Instead of fighting, Leo and the kids try to talk to the panther, offering him understanding and friendship. They learn that the panther was once a lonely creature who felt left out by the other animals and turned to darkness to feel powerful. But Leo shows him that true strength comes from friendship and love, not fear. Restoring the jungle. Moved by Leo's words, the Shadow Panther realizes his mistake and agrees to return the jungle to its former glory. With the panther's help, the jungle's trees regain their vibrant green color, rivers flow once again. And the animals come out of hiding. The panther, now a reformed creature, is welcomed by the animals and given a second chance. The story ends with a grand celebration, where Leo is honored as the true king of the jungle, one who leads with compassion, not fear. Themes: courage in the face of fear, the power of kindness and friendship working together to solve problems, the importance of second chances and understanding others.